Hey guys, today we're going to divide by a double-digit divisor. So I already wrote my steps, and how you can memorize those steps I have in my previous video. So we're going to start out with 48. Can 48 go into 9? No. So you would put a 0 here. Can 48 go into 98? Yes. And then we see how many times. So I'm going to try 48 times 2, which would be 96. So this is perfect. So I'm going to put a 2 here. Then I multiply. What is 2 times 48? 96. Then you subtract to get 2. Now you check. Is this answer to your subtraction problem less than 48? Yes, so we are good to go and move on to the next part. Next is we bring down the 5. Can 48 go into 25? So whenever your answer's no there, you're going to put a 0 at the top. So then you just keep on repeating the process. 0 times 48 is 0. Then you subtract to get 25. Now you check. Is 25 less than 48? Yes. Now you bring down 3. Okay? So we look at the next part and we try to see how many times 48 can go into 253. Well, let's look at the work that we already did. That way we don't have to repeat ourselves for some things. So 96 is very close to, it's about 100, right? And we're trying to get to about 250, okay? Because I'm just rounding these. So if I know that 48 times 2 is about 100, I know that 48 times 4 would be about 200. But I'm trying to get to 250. So let me try, off to the side, 48 times 5. So this would equal 240. That's perfect. Why? It's less than 253. But also I know that if I add another 48 here, it's going to spill over. So I know I'm in the right spot. So I'm going to put a 5 up here. 5 times 48 is 240. And then I end up with 13. Now, this 13 down here will end up being your remainder. So your answer would be 205, remainder 13. Okay, so I'm going to skip that one. We're going to do number 16 together. So we're going to put 21 here. And then I'm going to put 2,593 there. And I have my steps right in the middle so we can look at that. So, can 21 go into 2? Nope. So I got to put a 0. Can 21 go into 25? Yes. How many times? 1. So I'm going to put a 1 here, 21 here, subtract. So now that I'm subtracting, was 25 minus 21, we get 4. Now we check. Is 4 less than 21? Yes, I'm good. I can bring down my 9. So now I ask myself, how many times can 21 go into 49? So I'm going to do math off to the side. So 21 times 2 would be 42. So that's the closest we're going to get. Then I'm going to subtract and get 7. Then I do my check. Can 7 or is 7 less than 21? Yes, bring down my 3. How many times can 21 go into 73? Let's try 3. 63. That's perfect. That's as close as we're going to get. So I'm going to put a 3 here. 3 times 21 is 63. Subtract and you get 10. And I have nothing else to bring down, so my remainder would be 10. Okay? And then everyone has partners here.